Startup India, Stand Up India. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Suraksha Kavach, co-sponsored by Global Insurance Advisory Services, Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. The future of insurance. आज मैं आपसे बात करूँगा regulatory changes. How are regulatory changes as per IRDA? KYC verification effective from January 2023. First, KYC is mandatory for all lines of business without any exception, including group insurance business at the stage of customer onboarding, policy issuance. However, in the case of group insurance business, KYC check is only required to be carried out of the group member master policyholder entity. KYC documents include proof of identity, PAN card and proof of addresses, passport, driving license, voter's identity card, job card issued by NRE, GA, Aadhaar card, utility bill not less than 2 months. Customer account details, nomination and contact details. In addition to KYC details, we are now mandatorily required complete bank account details, contact details, mobile number and email ID of the policyholder along with nominee details for the customers, policyholders at the time of onboarding and renewals. Customer information sheet. It's important to educate the policyholders about the customer information sheet, which is sent to all the policyholders along with the policy document, post policy issuance, and guide them to obtain the agreement either in physical or digital modes. Premium refund. In case of request for cancellation, free lock cancellation policy not issued, any excess premium post issuance of the policy, such premium shall be required to be refunded directly to the policyholder's bank accounts collected at the time of policy issuance within 7 days of the receipt of such request to the agent indemnity in case of advance premium received by the company and the policyholders details not received by the company within 7 days from the date of such premium received. The company shall refund the said amount at the end of the 7-day period. DigiLocker. Encourage policyholders to use DigiLocker for securely preserving their insurance पॉलिसी डॉक्यूमेंट्स. जी हाँ दोस्तों, डिजी लॉकर्स आजकल हम हमारे सारे क्लाइंट्स को डिजी लॉकर्स का जानकारी देते हैं. वेबसाइट एक्सेसिबिलिटी. प्रोमिनेंटली डिस्प्ले और शेयर अ लिंक टू डायरेक्टली एक्सेस द कंपनीज वेबसाइट. एप्लीकेशन फॉर पॉलिसी होल्डर्स टू एक्सेस प्रोडक्ट रिलेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन. जी हाँ दोस्तों, हम वेबसाइट जानकारी ज़रूर देते हैं. EIA awareness. Create awareness among policyholders about the benefits of creating an e-insurance account. जैसे हम हमारे YouTube चैनल पे अवेयरनेस देते रहते हैं सारे पॉलिसी के बारे में विद द प्रोडक्ट डिटेल्स और सारी जानकारियाँ डिटेल्स में. सर्विस कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट. नो एडिशनल फीस वुड बी चार्ज फ्रॉम पॉलिसी होल्डर फॉर सर्विस रिलेटेड टू इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज. हमसे कोई भी सर्विस चार्ज नहीं लिया जाता है regarding any claims or nothing. Advertisement approvals. All advertisements provided to the policyholders must be approved by the company in writing prior to release sharing. जी हाँ दोस्तों, हम तभी रिलीज़ करते और शेयर करते जब इंश्योरेंस कंपनी उस प्रोडक्ट को अप्रूव करती है बाय द IRDA. We are not authorized to share any products without the approval of IRDA. Effective grievance solution. It's important adhere to guidelines issued by the IRDA covering aspects such as mis-selling, fair treatment, compliances, oversight and conflict of interest, and provide guidance to prospects regarding product suitability and conduct suitability assessment and assure proper collection of proposal forms during policy issuance. It is also requested that put in place implement robust process to efficiently resolve policyholders' grievances and the claims in a timely manner, confidentially and privacy. It's important maintain utmost confidentiality and privacy for information collected during solicitation or at any other time and safeguard policyholders' data to build trust. उम्मीद करते हैं आपको दी हुई जानकारी पसंद आई है. आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करिए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।